Is that a boogie? Ah! That's gross. No, I don't want it. Wave it on the ground. No! I don't want it. No, no. I don't want you. Gross! I don't want the boogie. No, gross! I don't want the boogie. Ew. Okay, sit down. Sit down. We'll take care of this. Sit down. You have to sit down. I'm not. Ah! Don't you wipe me on my pants? Is it on your hand? Okay, I'll go get it. I'll go get you a tissue. I'm going to get you a tissue. Here, take care of that. Here, Andrew, put the boogie on the tissue. Let me see. Where is it? Where's the boogie? Let me see your hand. Where is it? Is it on my pants? Where'd you wipe it? Let me see. Looks like you're good. No, on your wrist. Let me see this hand. Look, it's gone. It's gone. You're good. It's all gone. Oh, there it is. Ew. Get off me! Get off me! Ah! Gross! It's on my arm. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna get you back. Here it comes. Ew, gross. Andrew, look at the boogie. Look. I'm going to touch your hand with it. Where's Andrew? Where are you? Let me get your hand. Andrew, look at mommy. Do you have the boogie? Do you have the boogie? I got the boogie. Do you want the boogie? Here. What are you gonna do? Alright, come on, let's go. I got the boogie, I got the boogie, I got the boogie! I got it! Here, do you want it? Here, take the boogie. Here.
Timed out. I got on a spot course town at 9:50. I'm not going to be able to make it. I hear you, guys. And I'm doing Letterman Monday. You know, I got to work at the material. Let me see what I can do. No.
Look, it's right here.
Look, why don't you come back and do the 11 o'clock? I'm supposed to meet my friends to check maybe.
No, yuck.
I'll be back.
Alright, get it off. Here. Is it off? There. Ah. Want it? Ah. Andrew, what are you doing? I got the boogie.